Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to make a complaint as a guest in Booking.com. First open Booking.com, then scroll down until you find the footer of the web page. Click on Contact Customer Service. Then click Get Help with the Booking. Select a category, whether it's a stay, attraction, car rental, flight or airport taxi. You should enter the booking details such as the confirmation number and the PIN code. You can find these two numbers in the email that was sent to you when you have booked the property. If you can't find this confirmation email into your inbox, you can click Resend confirmation email. Get the confirmation number, then the PIN code and click Continue. Explain the problem, then send your complaint to the customer service. Or you can directly message the customer service by clicking this button. Write your message, then click Send. Or you can directly call them on their phone number. Click on More Contact Options, then click Call Customer Service. And you get the customer service mobile number. You can contact them. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and peace.